Studying effectively during exams means prioritizing active learning. Techniques like active recall, where students retrieve information from memory, and spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, significantly enhance retention and understanding. Good study methods include organizing sessions into manageable chunks and setting specific goals. This approach maintains focus, prevents overwhelm, and ensures comprehensive coverage of necessary material. Great study methods involve applying knowledge through practice exams and problem-solving exercises. Simulating exam conditions helps students familiarize themselves with the format and time constraints, reducing anxiety and improving performance. Effective study methods include creating concise notes, using mnemonic devices to remember key concepts, and teaching others the material to reinforce understanding. Comparing good methods with the best highlights the effectiveness of strategic studying versus passive reviewing. Active learning strategies promote deep